Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. Today we have surprises to open.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Who is that?
I've got you now, Goblin.
Oh, hi Spiderman. Did you come here to help us open surprises? Alright, let's get started. Here we have a frozen chocolate surprise egg. You know who I think would love this egg? Yep, that's right. Elsa would love the chocolate frozen surprise egg. And here we have the flyer. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. And this looks like Sven. Yep, it's Sven. In a cool charm. Do you like that, Elsa? Yes, I like it very much. Awesome. And next we have this Littlest Pet Shop Fashems from Series 3. Do you see who it is? Yep, it's O'Neill Nevla. And it is very, very super squishy. And stretchy too. Whee! Very cool. And now this is a cool surprise. This is called a gift ups. And inside it comes with a little doll. And the box opens into a scene of the city that the doll is from. So let's see if we can get this open. Oh, and this is from Series 1. And what a pretty little gift box that is. Take off the top. And here's our doll. And here is the collector's guide. Oh, cool. And it shows all the different dolls you can collect from all different cities and countries around the world. Now let's see who we have. And it looks like her hair comes off. And you can stick it on just like that. Oh, isn't she cool looking? Let's see if we can find her on our collector's guide. So this is Tina Argentina. You can see her there, and she's from Buenos Aires. And according to the collector's guide, she is actually a rare doll. So that's super cool that we got a rare one today. Look at that sun on her shirt. I love it. Super cool. I love it. Num Num Surprise from Series 2. Here's our collector's guide. Let's see who we have. So this is Tropicali Pop from our Frizzy Pops. And underneath, oh, this looks like the s'mores. Our s'mores lip gloss, yep. Aw, very cool. Now, I was so excited to get to the Num Nums, I forgot to show what city our doll was from. Oh, look, it says it right here. Look how cute this is. Oop, that wasn't supposed to come off. Snap that back in. And here is, look, there's her name, Tina Argentina, from Buenos Aires, Argentina. And that's what the city looks like. And she goes on her little stand here like this. That is really, really cool. Oh, I love that. That's a cool surprise. I like it. All right, Spider-Man, what would you like to open next?
Great power comes great responsibility.
That's very true. Okay, so let's do the Kinder Egg. Chocolate surprise egg. Oh, we got a lot of pieces. And a flyer. Aww. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's like a little finger puppet animal. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm going to put it together. There we go. Look how cute that is. At first I wasn't sure what kind of animal it is, but now that I look close, it looks like an owl. See its little wings? And its little tiny beak? Ooh, 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 ooh. Aw, that is really super cute. You can have lots of fun with that toy. And here we have a Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. Here's the collector's guide. And let's see who we have. Aww. Look how cute. And here's our dew. And there should be another Squinky inside. Yep. Aw, look how cute. This one's name is Spotty Dotty. She's like a little sleepy kitty. Isn't that cute? And we can put our dew on her. It's like a little hat. How cute is that? And this one is called Sprinkle Dew. And this guy's name, what is his name? Oh, I know it. I'm going to check our collector's guide. Benny Biscuit. This is Benny Biscuit. Took me a minute. I couldn't remember his name. Oh, and these guys are just really, really cute. They're adorable. And here we have a Frozen Fashems. I love Frozen Fashems. Me too, Elsa. Oh, inside is Olaf. Look how cute he is. Whoop. Super, super squishy Olaf. Too cute. And now we have our Shopkins shopping cart surprise. And inside of here is a 50-piece puzzle. And it also comes with one Shopkins character. I can't wait to open it up and see what's inside. Love this shopping cart. This is so cute. If I could just get it open, it would be great. There we go. Oh, look how cute that is. Whoa, look at all those pieces. That is a big puzzle. And I see a little bag in there with our Shopkins. scissor for this one. Look who it is. It's Sneaky Wedge. Oh, look, and he's in this cool mint color. I've never seen this color of Sneaky Wedge. That is so, so cool. Oh, that's awesome. All right, now I have to put together this puzzle. I'm going to put it together and I'll show you the final product. Okay, I'm almost done with the puzzle. Here's the last piece. And there's the final product. Oh, that was super fun to put together. I really enjoyed it. And I think it's cool that they have Sneaky Wedge in the picture that we got in the surprise. Just in a different color. Very, very cool. That's it for surprises today. As always, thanks for watching Cam's Toy Box. And don't forget to subscribe for more toys and surprises every day. I'll see you soon. Bye.